Do you think elephants are friendly to humans? Don't be fooled by the appearances of animals, because they can do things that you can't imagine. So, are you curious what they did? We won't let you wait anymore. Let's watch those moments with us today. Surely this dolphin wants an iPad to watch WOW TV's videos. That's not a seat. Let me help you. The elephant was annoyed when the girl tried to take a picture, so it used its trunk to stop her.
Okay.
Be careful when taking pictures with a goat, as it can be very aggressive at times. The fence is like a massage machine for the horse. The sheep was very angry when the girl teased its feelings. This money can buy a piece of cheese to fill its belly.
Nice.
Even walls can't stop friendship. This bunny deserves to be the main character in the movie Prison Break.
Freedom.
The weight was too much. The horse got angry and dropped 2 people into the water. The parrot shows great gallantry by opening a can of soft drink to help the owner. A phone will help it keep up to date with the latest news. The movie Kung Fu Panda has added a new star with top-notch stick dancing skills. The monkey was very surprised with the magic show of the visitors. Coach Parrot is helping the hamster prepare for the upcoming running competition. This raccoon tries to escape from the trash can, but perhaps the trash can still feels attached to it.
Nope.
With a talent for playing the saxophone, I hope this seal will join the great concert soon. When I accidentally said that the cat was too fat, and this was its response.
1, 2, 3, 4.
The girl offered the turtle a banana, but that was not what it needed. This orangutan is enjoying himself. He uses a towel to clean his face on a sunny day. Take a quick shot. Do you know how much time it took?
I owed him up.
This chicken became a pro player with just one of its eggs. Well, maybe the giraffe mistook the pole for a lollipop. This raccoon washes his hands before stealing cat food. Very hygienic. This pig can't stand the noise of the vacuum cleaner, so it finds a way to stop it. The dog's ability to ride a car makes me admire it. The Best Actor award should go to this funny parrot. Wow, it turns out that we've all been deceived about the ability of turtles to run.
Run.
This duck is afraid of the dark, but still has to take on the responsibility of turning off the lights. This crocodile is floating in the water after a tiring day of swimming.
Wait a minute.
Instead of spreading the food, this fish chooses to feed it directly into its mouth. This turkey decided to have a prank on its owner. This monkey is very special because he knows how to use shower gel to clean himself.
Wait a minute.
Hey dude, there's still no food here.
Hi.
A hug and a kiss from a baby elephant will make you happy.
Wait a minute.
Nope. Really, nigga?
Can I get up? I think Can I get up? I think Oh, he is eating my hair. Okay.
So, which clips impressed you most? Leave a comment below. If you loved this video, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the little bell to receive the latest notifications from us. We'll see you guys in the next video.